Hello all, welcome to SBJ Academy. I am Sabu Joseph. In this video, I am going to show you some examples on how to compare two columns in Excel and how to find matches. We can compare the data with so many ways. In the first example, I am showing how to compare the data in the same row. Here we have two columns, column 1 and column 2, and having data. By simply we can compare the column 1 with the column 2 for matching data. So use equal to, again equal to, enter. If both the columns are matched, it will return the result as true. Copy the data to the data set. Now the result showing true as matched, and the result which is showing as false is not matched. It's only a simple way to compare the two data in a same row. Here the data which is not matched is showing as false. Instead of showing false, we can use some words, so that we can use if function. If column 1 equal to column 2, if it is matched, we can get the result as match, double quotation, match, close the double quotation, comma. If it is not matched, we can get the result as no match, double quotation, no match, close the quotation and close the bracket. Now enter. Now all the data which is showing true in the first comparison, that will show here as match, and which is shown false in the first comparison will show here as no match. Just put the data. Now we can get more clarity about the comparison, the data which is matched and the data which is not matched. Instead of using these functions, the Excel itself have some facilities. So in the second example, I will show how to find these matches with the conditional formatting. Before using the conditional formatting, select the entire data table and go to Home, click on conditional formatting, click on highlight cell rules, and click on duplicate values. Now the duplicate values are showing as orange color. Here we can use the different formats, colors, and custom format also. So here I am using this color. So what are the data which are in duplicate in column 1 and column 2 are highlighted, and which are not duplicate, it is showing separately. So now we got the what are the values which are duplicates in both cells. If we want to find out what are the items which are not in duplicate, the unique items in the both the columns, for that we can go to the third example, which is select the data set, go to Home, click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Here I am using the formatting as unique. Already we selected the duplicates for formatting the duplicate values, and here I am using the unique for finding the unique values which are not in duplicate. Here I am using this color. Now these are the items which are not in both the cells. This grapes is only in column 1 and this tomato is only in column 2. So this is the unique item. In another way, we can simply use the VLOOKUP function for looking the data in both cells. Here we can find the names that are in column 1 and column 2 by using the VLOOKUP function, equal to VLOOKUP. We are looking on column 1. This is the array, lock the array, comma. The data which we are looking for is located on the column 1 in the data table. So put 1, then select on exact match, close the bracket. Now the items which are in first column and the second column are showing here, and if it is not matched, it is showing as not applicable. So here it is showing an error message. That error message we can avoid by using if error function, equal to if error VLOOKUP, select the lookup value, select the data range, lock it, enter the column index number, select the exact match, close the bracket. If any error happen, at that time we have to get the message as not found. So double quote, not found, close the quotation mark, close the brackets, enter. Now the first row is matched, copy the data to the enter table area. Now what are the items which are not matched is or not found in column seconds is showing as not found. These are the items not in column seconds. Go to another example. For fetching the matching data, I have two data sets here, column 1 showing some name of the fruits and its market value is showing on the second column. Here we have to get the market value of each item. Here we can use the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP, this is the lookup value, comma, select the data range, look the range. The market value which we have to pull out is on the second column. So put 2, select the exact match, enter. Now the orange is showing 90 rupees. Copy the data. Now the grapes red is showing 100 rupees. Here we got the exact match and market value of each item by using lookup value. Here the problem is, if it is a partial matching, if it is matching data partially, how can we get the data? Here, the sixth example, I am showing the how to match the partial data. Here, it is given grapes red. Here only grapes. So when we compare these two grapes, the result will be not matching. So how can we match these two names? This grape red is same as grapes. How can we get a partial matching data? So that we can use a wildcard equal to VLOOKUP, select the lookup value. Here we can use the wildcard star for fetching the partial data. So we can use and open double quotes, put star, close double quotes, comma. Here we can select the data sets, press F4 for locking the data sets, comma. The market value which is shown on the second column, so enter 2, select the exact match, close the brackets, enter. Now the rate of orange pulled out, drag it. Now the grapes is showing 100. Here the name is grapes red and here the name is only grapes. So this is a partial matching. Here in the first set we used the grapes and here the grapes red, so it is matched. If the name is changed here, now it is showing an error here. But in the partial matching we are using a wildcard, it will pull the partial matching data also. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. You will get lot of Excel tips. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.